to Ocean View High School for tonight's Golden West League finale between the Laguna Beach Artists and your Ocean View Seahawks. Tonight is senior night and homecoming night, big night for the Seahawks, so let's get started. First off, our seniors, our 2022 Cheer Squad seniors. We'll start with Savannah Bernal. Savannah is here with her mom and uncle, and all are walking in honor of her grandpa. Savannah's best Ocean View memory are all the good times with Start and other students. She plans to attend a UC after high school, double majoring in business and psychology, then going to law school. She would like to thank all of the Ocean View staff and her family that she is so grateful for, especially her grandpa, because she wouldn't be here without him. She would also like to thank life for all the crazy ups and downs that made her strong and helped her become the person she is today. That's Savannah Bernal. Next we have Jasmine Hernandez. Jasmine is attending with Glenn Bunn, Rachel Cangelosi, and Desiree Hernandez. Her best Ocean View memory was joining the cheering team and cheering on Fridays, as well as making wonderful friendships. Jasmine plans to attend a university and become a forensic medical examiner. She would like to thank family, friends, and coach for always supporting me and helping make my dreams come true and always pushing me to do my best. That's Jasmine Hernandez. Our next senior is Noelia Lopez. She's attending with her mother and boyfriend. Her best Ocean View memory is being involved in many sports. She plans to attend college and be successful after high school. And she would like to thank her mom because she has always been there for her boyfriend for being there through tough moments, and her coaches that believed in her when she did not believe in herself. That's Noelia Lopez. Next up is Juliana Maldonado. Juliana is attending with her mom's partner, and her siblings. Her best Ocean View memory is seeing the team succeed and improve. Juliana plans to go to a community college after high school and get an American Sign Language program before transferring to a 4-year college. She would like to thank her family for always supporting her in volleyball and cheer, her coach and advisors for having faith in her and pushing her to be the best, and her beautiful teammates. These girls are her sisters, and she appreciates each and every one of you. She loves all the girls and can't wait to see you all achieve your goals. Again, that's Juliana Maldonado. Please welcome Adriana Munoz. Adriana is attending with Teo Munoz and Alyssa Munoz. Her best Ocean View memory is Friday Night Lights with the cheer team. Adriana plans to attend a community college and then transfer to a Cal State or UC, allowing her to be part of an amazing cheer program. She would like to thank her teammates, coach, and advisors for all they have done, and she's loved the memories she's created so far this season and can't wait to make more. Also, a special thank you to her mom for always being her biggest supporter. That's Adriana Munoz. Our next senior is Carissa Davila. Carissa is attending with her mom, Suzanne, and her sisters, Talia and Natalie. Her best Ocean View memory is being at games, the bus rides, practices, and spending time with her friends. Carissa plans to attend a Cal State or UC after high school and work towards becoming a registered nurse and getting into nursing aesthetics. She would like to thank her family for always being there for her, motivating her to do better, and being such a strong support system. She would also like to thank Coach Jones, Coach Danny, and Jenny for being so incredible and transforming and growing the cheer program to what it is today. To her teammates, she will miss them all so much and loves each and every one of you. She thanks you for making these past 2 years so special and amazing. That's Carissa Davila. Victoria Cortina is our next senior. Victoria is attending with her mom, dad, and siblings. Her favorite Ocean View memory is being part of the family and cheering on Friday nights and seeing the team improve and succeed every day. After high school, she plans to make money, go to cosmetology school, and pursue cheer. She would like to thank Coach for everything and her advisors for being the best. You are all amazing, and she appreciates all that you do. She would also like to thank the team for being awesome, and she's glad she got to spend her last year with all you big dogs. Finally, she would like to thank her family and boyfriend for being her biggest supporters and for always believing in her and not letting her give up. She loves you all and couldn't have done it all without you. That's Victoria Cortina. Our final cheer senior is Dusteri Villanueva. She's attending with her mom, Edith Rodriguez, and her little brothers. Her best Ocean View memory is creating bonds with the Ideas kids, cheering on the team on Friday nights, and flying with her bestie, Victoria. She plans to attend college and pursue a career after high school as a travel nurse or a special education teacher. Dusteri would like to thank all her friends and family, especially her mom, for always supporting her and having her back no matter what. She would also like to thank my coach and advisors for everything they do for her and the team. That's Dusteri Villanueva. And please give another hand for all the senior cheer members. Now let's welcome the football seniors. We start with Andrew Atia.
Come on, Dusteri.
Also attending is Arini Mansour, Wasim Atia, and Martin Atia. Andrew's best memory is the win against University. His plans after high school is to study civil engineering for 4 years. He would like to thank his mom and his brother for supporting him throughout his life. That's Andrew Atia. Our next senior is Alexis Iona. Alexis is accompanied by Gabriela Morales, Esteban Iona, Lizette Iona, and Natalie Iona. His best Ocean View memory is summer camp. After Ocean View, he plans to study criminal justice at a 4-year university. Alexis would like to thank his teammates for the family we've been able to create over these last couple years. That is Alexis Iona. Please welcome Josh Bobadilla. Attending with Josh is Olga Bobadilla, his mom, Armando Bobadilla, his dad, Yadira Bobadilla, his sister, and Jocelyn Bobadilla, another sister. His best Ocean View memory is Laguna Beach comeback. After high school, he plans to enlist in the Army and study construction engineering. He would like to thank all his teammates, coaches, teachers, and family. That's Josh Bobadilla. Our next senior is Brian Castrojón. Attending with Brian, Rosario Cuevas, Margarito Castrojón, Tim Cuevas, and Brandy Castrojón, Mitzi Castrojón, and Freddie Aviles. His best Ocean View memory are the wins over University, Godinez, and all the friends he's made. After high school, Brian expects to start working. Brian would like to thank his family, coaches, friends, and especially his teammates. That's Brian Castrojón. Please welcome Nick Plum. Also attending with Nick is Nigel Flum, Joseph Flum, Shiloh Flum, and Marcus Flum. Nick's best memory is being defensive scout team for 4 years straight. After high school, he plans to study computer science at a 4-year university. Nick would like to thank his family, friends, teachers, teammates, and coaches. That's Nick Flum. Our next senior is Gilberto Hernandez. Attending with Gilberto, Sylvia Morales, Leilani Ocampo, and Destiny Padilla. Gilberto's best Ocean View memory is hanging out in the locker room. After high school, Gilberto plans to go to Cal State Long Beach, and he would like to thank family, friends, coaches, teachers, teammates, and God. That's Gilberto Hernandez. Our next senior, Kaiki Leuda. Attending with Kaiki, Raymond Leuda, Marie Alejandro Leuda, Valerie Leuda, Gregory Leuda, and Sia Lamamutu Leuda. His best Ocean View memory is hanging out with friends and messing around on campus. After high school, Kiki plans to continue football at community college and major in criminal justice. He would like to thank his family for pushing him hard to do well in school, and to thank the Cincinnati Bengals. That's Kiki Leuda. Our next senior, Dylan Mayorga. Attending with Dylan, Yvette Mayorga, Louis Mayorga, and David Mayorga. Dylan's best Ocean View memory is playing football. After high school, he plans to attend community college, then fire school. Dylan would like to thank his family and the Raiders. That's Dylan Mayorga. Please welcome Jaden Rivera. Attending with Jaden, Vincent Casella, Sherian Tabaldari, Sarah Corol, Vanessa, Cassandra, and Cindy Rivera. Jaden's best Ocean View memory, getting to be part of the football team. After high school, Jaden plans to attend college in the field of architectural design. He would like to thank all the people that still stuck with him during the toughest times of his life. That's Jaden Rivera. Our next senior, Iofi Saleo. Iofi is accompanied by John Saleo, Vicini Saleo, Ime Saleo, Timo, and Tayo Saleo. Iofi's best Ocean View memory is taking the win against Godinez. After high school, he plans to study technology at a community college. And he would like to thank his parents, Nana and Papa, his entire family who supported him throughout the year, and his team. That's Iofi Saleo. Please welcome Jorian Smith-Sherry. Attending with Jorian, Corey Smith, Leah Sherry, Tatum and Navali Smith-Sherry, Paula and John Cabrera, Bill and Cheryl Sherry, Mickey Sherry, Omar and Xander, and Zara Zabalawi. Jorian's best memory is beating Uni at home with Jumbo. His plans after high school are still undecided, and he would like to thank his grandparents for taking care of him and always being there for he and his sisters. Oh, excuse me. And my sisters for being annoying, but I still love them. That's Jorian Smith-Sherry. Our next senior, Axel Tankau. Axel is accompanied by Okta, Angelina, and Aiden Tankau. Axel's best memory is hanging out with friends. After high school, he plans to attend a four-year college in the technology field. Axel would like to thank his family, teammates, friends, and teachers. That's Axel Tankau. Our final senior, Josh Villa. Accompanying Josh, Marissa Rodriguez, Ricardo Rodriguez, Miguel Villa, and Heather Villa. Josh's favorite memory is the 2019-2020 basketball season. After high school, Josh plans to enroll in a nursing program at Golden West College. He would like to thank his teammates for the bonds they created, his family for always supporting him, his coaches for the wisdom they have given him, and most of all, God. That is Josh Villa. Please give it up for all of the 2022 Ocean View seniors. Accompanying Nathan are his parents Lisa and Matthew Banuelos and his brother Teddy. Nathan plays the baritone and marching band and the trombone and concert and jazz band. His favorite members are all the time he spent with everyone in band. Nathan plans to attend to Cal State University to study computer science and would like to thank his parents for putting up with all late all times and supporting him throughout. And most certainly like to thank all the fellow members of the squadron for being some of the greatest people he's ever met. That's Nathan Banuelos. Next we have Ben Boucher. Accompanying Ben are his parents Cindy and Jeff Boucher. Ben plays the tenor saxophone in marching band, jazz band, and concert band. His favorite memory was when the band won first place at state championships his freshman year. Glenn plans to attend MIT with a major in computer science and engineering. He would like to thank Mr. Combs for being such a committed and passionate band leader, as well as his mom and dad for spending so much time supporting the band. That's Ben Boucher. Raina Carrillo is your next senior and is accompanied by her mother Amber Carrillo and her brother Aaron Marquez. She plays snare drum and is this year's drum captain for the Seahawks squadron. Raina's favorite memory from performing in band was the 2017 state championship. After high school, Raina would like to pursue a career in law. She would like to thank her mom, siblings, grandparents, friends, Debbie, and Mr. Combs. That's Raina Carrillo. Our next senior tonight is Ethan Flint. Tonight, Ethan is accompanied by his parents, Anita and Randy Flint, and his siblings, Ruby, Macy, and Elliot. Ethan currently plays tenor drums in the squadron and holds the title of head drum major. His favorite memory is winning state championships in 2019. Next year, Ethan plans to attend BYU to study wildlife and wildlands conservation. Ethan would like to thank his mom and dad for driving him to practice and competitions and for always supporting him. That's Ethan Flint. Next we have Gabriela Garcia, accompanied by her mother Ricardo Guzman and Amado Martinez. Gabriel spins flags, rifles, and sabers in the color guard for marching band. Her favorite memory is driving home after competitions. After high school, she plans to attend Long Beach City College and plans to pursue a career as a preschool teacher. She would like to thank her brother Miguel and Lupe Garcia for supporting her through the last 4 years of high school. Gabriela would also like to thank her friends for being there when she needed them. That's Gabriela Garcia. Our next senior is Campbell Madsen. Campbell's accompanied tonight by his parents Kristen and Amon Madsen and his younger sister Isla. Campbell plays alto sax in marching, concert, and jazz band. His favorite memory is junior year when the jazz band played the song he arranged at the District Jazz Festival. Campbell plans to attend It's cut off, I'm sorry, Campbell. And major in music competition or commercial music, and plans to pursue a career in music. Campbell wants to thank his family for supporting him throughout his time in marching band. He would also like to thank all of his squadron mates for making band something fun that he looks forward to every day. That's Campbell Madsen. 5-yard penalty on Ocean View will be first and 5. Next, we present senior Chase Northcott. Accompanying Chase is his mother, Catherine Crused. Chase spins a flag and rifle in the squadron's color guard. His favorite memories are driving home from competitions, singing songs with his friends. After graduation, Chase plans to attend Long Beach City College to pursue a career in film. Chase would like to thank his mom for pushing him to do better at each and every practice and competition. That's Chase Northcott. A legal procedure penalty on Laguna Beach, 5 yards. Our final senior of the night, Gilda Sattler. She is accompanied by her parents, Melissa and Jim Sattler. Her sister Ari, Lily, and Penelope, as well as Dan. Gilda performs in the squadron's color guard. Her favorite memory was in 2019 when the squadron made it through to grand championships. After high school, Gilda is considering a career in art or cosmetology. She would like to thank her mom and dad for always supporting her and never letting her give up. Her older sister Lily for introducing her to what color guard is and for supporting her. Ms. Privet, who was such an amazing, sweet, and charismatic teacher and believes in everyone. And finally, Mr. Combs for being such an awesome teacher and being so helpful to our group. That is Gilda Sattler.